With the release of version 5.9, administrators can easily ensure the consistent application of grading policies across all schools within a district. This release includes a number of tools that are designed to manage all aspects of grade reporting. Grade reporting related records, including grade groups, grades, course levels, grade conversions, comments, and honor rolls, can now be created for all buildings in a single transaction at the district level. Simply select the district level from the school drop-down menu and navigate to the setup page for each of these areas. Subsequent changes made to these records from the district level will be applied to all buildings. Administrators can now define default student honor roll, marking period totals, and class rank calculation options for all buildings in the district. Navigate to each of these pages to complete the setup as usual. Then click Apply Settings to All Buildings. This will push the setup to all of the schools within your district. These settings will be selected by default when users run grade reports in each school within the district. New view permissions have been incorporated to allow districts to restrict access to these default settings when running these processes for each building. These grade reporting module level permissions are labeled calculation options and can be found with the other class rank and honor roll permissions. Transcript, report card, and progress report output options can now be applied to all buildings. Navigate to any of these pages, click the Options button, and select Apply to All Buildings. Version 5.9 includes a number of enhancements to the scheduling dashboard based on feedback from our pilot group. The Section Report widget has been enhanced to launch the Course Request tab for the selected student, allowing master schedulers to review the course analysis results for the latest run. From the top of the scheduling dashboard, users can now launch the drag and drop interface for the latest run. A subject filter has been added to the course seat availability and section report widgets to allow users to identify scheduling issues for specific classes. Similarly, a student status and student group filter has been added to the section report widget to allow users to easily identify scheduling issues with specific populations of students. The student status and student group filters are available for users with the appropriate permissions. This release includes a number of enhancements to the Guru notification and data management toolsets based on feedback from conference attendees. New notifications have been incorporated with version 5.9. The Student Status Update notification delivers an email to all recipients when a new status is created or ended for a student. The notification can be restricted to specific statuses during the configuration process. The Student Schedule Update notification delivers an email to all recipients when a new class enrollment record is created or ended. This notification can be restricted to class enrollments related to specific subjects or departments. The class attendance notification delivers an email to all recipients when a student reaches the defined absence total for a specific class. This notification can be restricted to class attendance related to specific subjects or departments. Additionally, New recipient configuration options are now available for all notifications. When the student's current teacher's option is selected, users can now restrict recipients based on subject area or department. The staff list has been enhanced to allow users to filter by staff type. Finally, district-level staff are now included in the results. Version 5.9 also includes the introduction of a new data rule and additional features. Districts can now create a rule to automatically populate staff and student email addresses based on selected fields. The integration and email data rules for students can now be configured to use the cohort and/or projected graduation year that is defined for the student. The new Simulate option allows users to preview the results of the data rule without committing the transaction. Finally, if users inadvertently apply a new data rule, it can be rolled back using the corresponding option. From Student, Profile, Status Summary tab, district staff can now easily identify the achievement level of all ENL students. Release 5.9 includes new default student statuses for entering, emerging, transitioning, expanding, and commanding. When an achievement level status is assigned to a student, it will be displayed within the LEP tooltip throughout the application. From the Student Portal login page, students can now reset passwords for the Student Portal without staff intervention. The new password recovery option requires students to enter their username or email address to reset a password. If a match is found, instructions and a password reset link will be delivered to the email address associated with the student record. Please note, students must have an email address in order to use this service. Districts can now include daily attendance information on transcripts. The new Attendance Information widget, available from the Transcript Template Builder, presents student attendance by grade level. From Settings, users can configure the widget to limit the information to select grade levels or attendance types.